Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all keeping well and safe. Today I will be sharing with you a quick and easy back to school natural looking makeup tutorial. As usual, I will list all the products I've used in the description box below. So to begin with, I'm going to start by priming my face, and I'm using the Smashbox Photo Finish Blur and Smooth Primer, and I'm going to apply this all across my face. Now I'm going to apply the Ordinary Serum Foundation. Using the Beauty Bay foundation brush, I'm going to buff this across my face. As this foundation is a little bit runny, it makes it easier to build the coverage if needed. In terms of coverage, I think this foundation gives the perfect coverage for daily wear. It's not too heavy on the skin and it is super light. For concealer, I'm going in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This is a full coverage concealer, but you can go ahead and use a light or medium coverage. I begin by placing the concealer on the inner and outer corners of my eyes. Before I go ahead and blend this out with a beauty blender, I'm just going to pat the concealer across my under eye area using my fingers. This is just to allow placement of the concealer, and it will also help the concealer dry a little before we blend. To set this all in place, I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury setting powder, and I'm using a fluffy brush by Lottie London. And I'm just going to press this onto my skin. Next, I'm going in with the Hoola bronzer, and I'm just going to place this just under my cheekbones just to give a slight contour, but I'm also placing this on top of my cheekbones too. Taking the Benetint Liquid Blush, I'm going to apply 3 drops of this on the highest points of my cheekbones, and then I'm going to go ahead and take my blush brush by Inner Mask and blend this out. For eyeshadow, I'm taking the Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsession palette and taking this brown shade and a tapered blending brush by MAC. I'm going to place this onto the crease area of my eye. Then I'm going to go in with this gold shimmer, and with my fingers I'm just going to pat this onto the centre of my lids. Next, I'm going to take my eyelash curlers and curl my lashes. Notice how I don't hold my eyelash curler in one place. I'm pulsing it up and down to ensure that the lash is thoroughly curled. Now I'm going to take this L'Oreal Baby Doll Mascara and apply this to my lashes. Finally, I'm going to add some colour to my lips, and I'm taking this lipstick by Givenchy. It's like a nice natural pink. You can apply any shade you wish to, or just keep it natural with lip balm. This leads us to the end of the tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and take care for now. I shall see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye!